guys, here we are with another hopefully fun unboxing. Let's see what we're gonna find in this awesome box. Here we go. This one is truly an unboxing because sometimes we do unparcelings and unletterings and stuff. This one came in a box. Yes. Here we go. Oh, this is exciting. This is super exciting. That's probably information for me. And this looks like an epic shaving kit. Oh my goodness. Doesn't this look really, really, really cool? All right, let's put this down real quick. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, there's another cool thing in here, which is earplugs. All right, so I'm only going to do one today at this current time, and then I will do the secondary unboxing in a
Likey.